Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about how poor car maintenance could truly wreck your wallet. And this is not something made up. This is something we see all the time. Vehicles that are not serviced or inspected properly and maintenance is left to go to the wayside often end up with a lot more expensive repairs. Let's take the cooling system for one aspect. Replacing thermostats, flushing cooling system. Without doing so, we start to get radiator rot and failure. We can get internal corrosion that causes other issues. Hoses break down internally. You can end up with a very expensive repair or an overheated car. Timing belt replacement, loss of timing belt teeth not done in a timely fashion can turn into thousands of dollars if you actually bend a valve because the timing belt breaks. Continue driving with a check engine light. Issues that can cause misfires, etc., can cause catalyst failures down the road. And not replacing a simple air filter can cause mass airflow, sensor damage and contamination, causing drivability issues and become a lot more expensive. It's imperative that you have your vehicle inspected and serviced properly. It will save you money in the long run. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.